Today I want to show you how to properly format a paper in APA style using the tools that are available in Microsoft Word. I am going to be using Word 2007, but these tools are available in 03 and 2010. You will just need to play with them a bit to see what the differences are. The first time I was assigned a paper in college that required the use of APA, I had no idea what it was, much less how to format properly. I purchased a manual and set to writing my paper. The running head and numbering required was a nightmare. I struggled for hours to get the margins and numbers right on each page, to no avail. I felt that this was one of those tasks that was so basic that everyone knew how to easily accomplish it, so I was too embarrassed to ask for help. I didn't dread writing papers because of the research or the actual writing. It was the formatting that I dreaded, until the day when 3 pieces of information and some time spent playing with Word led to my aha moment. It really was very simple and basic. Now I dread the writing more than the formatting. When I started teaching at the college level, I had students of all ages in my class. On the off chance that there were students like me who had not figured out how to utilize what was already available to them to make proper formatting easier, I decided to do a brief demonstration during the class period when I gave them their research paper assignment. This brief period turned into almost the entire class time. There were more than a few students who were clueless about the tools that Word offers to simplify paper formatting. They, like me, didn't dread the writing so much. It was the formatting that caused them to stress out over paper assignments. When one of my students, who was in her 4th semester majoring in computer science, lamented rather loudly, "Why hasn't anyone taught us this before?" I knew there was a need for this lesson and demonstration, so I permanently included it in my syllabus. I hope you find it helpful. Just follow along as I click and explain. First, we are going to format the running head for the entire document. Open a new Word document. To set up a running head in APA, click on Insert in the toolbar. In the header and footer block, click on Header. When the drop-down box examples open, click on Blank. If you have done this correctly, what you will see is a broken blue line across the page with a blue box at the top left that says Type Text. You can then start typing your running head. You won't need to place your cursor. It will automatically be where it needs to be. Remember, this should all be in capital letters. And it's a shortened version of the name of your paper. To insert the page numbers, tab over to the last position on the right of the page. Usually it'll be 2 tab stops. Then click on the page number. You want to go down, choose Current Position in the drop-down box. Be sure that it remains highlighted. Then click on Plain Number, and your number will come up in your paper. Be sure you close the Insert function by clicking on the Close Header and Footer red X. If you don't, your running head that you have already formatted will disappear. Okay, now that is the way that is proper for the rest of our paper. But this is not a proper APA heading for your title page. So what we're going to do is we are going to go down and we're going to insert all of the information necessary for a correctly formatted title page, which is going to be the name of your paper, your name, and the name of your institution. Now that you've got that done, just click on Enter until you have your second page with your proper heading, which is Our Paper, and number 2. Now, we're going to scroll back up to our title page. Once again, we're going to click on Insert. We're going to click on Header, but this time we're going to come all the way down to Edit Header, and we're going to click. Now we have a whole new set of boxes at the top. So what we want to click on here under Options is Different First Page. Now, make sure that you have scrolled back up and you are on your title page. You won't see the blue box here this time, so you need to set your cursor, and what you're going to type is running head with the R capitalized and the H lowercase. You're going to insert a colon. Then you're going to type your abbreviated title again in all caps. Now, you need to once again tab over to insert your number. Go to Page Number, Current Position, Plain Number. Now, close your header and footer. Now you have a properly formatted title page and a properly formatted second, and all of the other pages will be formatted just this way. You are now ready to write your properly formatted APA paper.